Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix VTech baby monitor camera keeps going offline, Wi-Fi, signal and power troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart the camera. Unplug the VTech camera from power and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait a few minutes for the camera to reconnect. Fix 2. Check the Wi-Fi signal. Move the camera closer to your Wi-Fi router and make sure there are not too many walls or large objects between them. Then test another device in the same location to check the Wi-Fi strength. Fix 3. Restart your router. First unplug your router, then wait for around 30 to 60 seconds. Then after 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and wait until the Wi-Fi is working again. Now check whether the VTech camera stays connected. Fix 4. Check the power connection. Make sure the camera's power adapter is firmly connected or try a different wall outlet. Then check the power cable for damage or loose connection and avoid using a loose extension cord or overloaded power strip. Fix 5. Check your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working normally and check that the camera is connected to the correct network. If your router recently changed its Wi-Fi name or password, reconnect the camera using the new details. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.